Hey everyone, KJ from the Hamilton office with a quick tip on how to keep viewers on your YouTube channel by using end screens. We're going to take a quick look at what end screens are, why they're important, and how to create them. Because YouTube wants you to continue watching, it randomly selects a similar video that launches next. Here's what that looks like at the end of this Christie's video, when it automatically launches Sotheby's. Not ideal for Christie's. And when you click cancel, you get a variety of other options. Now let's take a quick look at this Faye Ranch's video. You can look at another of their videos, you can subscribe to their YouTube channel, or you can launch their website. It's kind of obvious why they're important. The problem is, how do you figure out all that techie stuff when you have so much else to do? Luckily, they're surprisingly easy to create. So let's do one in less than 3 minutes. Start by launching your YouTube channel through Google. And once you get there, choose your videos, or you can select the video that you want to add the end screen to. Once you select the video, click Edit, scroll down, and select End Screens. The end screen options that you have to choose from are videos, playlists, subscribe button, or a channel. Links aren't available unless you're a YouTube partner. There are several pre-formatted templates to choose from for videos, playlist, and subscribe buttons, so let's use this one with one video and one subscribe button. You notice that my subscribe button was automatically put in. Select the video box and you have the option to choose from your most recent video. You can allow YouTube to make the selection for you, or you can choose from any of your videos or any video on YouTube. To select one of yours, simply click on it. To select another video from YouTube, the only thing you need to do, open a new tab, find your video, select the address and copy it, go back to your YouTube studio and paste that address in the box. That will pop up the video where you simply click on it and it automatically puts it into your video. The timeline at the bottom shows the last 20 seconds of the video, and you can adjust any element in relation to the end of the video as to when you would like for it to start. Once you do that, grab the playhead and look at where your video is and the elements in relation to your imagery. If something needs to be moved, as it does here, just click and drag the element to put it in the place that it needs to be. Click Save. Double check what you did by selecting View Video, then scroll to the end of your video and make sure that your video and your subscribe button are there. And if you add your end screens when you upload your video, it will take less than 60 seconds.